Hi everybody, welcome to my channel and let's do my makeup.
Hi.
Here's Lily. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna place this on my lip, this lip butter by Summer Fridays, and I'm using the pink guava. Smells so good. I love the way it smells. Smell it?
Smells like candy.
It smells like you can eat it, but you can't eat it. Okay, so I already did my foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in 220 Natural Beige. My favorite, I love it so much. And to prep my lids, I am using this NARS concealer in Café con Leche. And of course, I already did my eyebrows and I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Perfect Brow Pencil in the color medium brown. Okay, that's the one I use to do my brows. And now I'm pulling out my concealer. This one's by Maybelline Fit Me and it's the color 22. It has a name on it. Wheat blend or wheat bleed, whatever. It's wheat. And I'll place a little bit here. And I am picking up my brush. This one is by Real Techniques and it's pointed thick brush and it's perfect for blending concealer and getting in specific areas. Why are you smiling? I feel like my eyes still look puffy and tired. Yes, today is a work day and yeah. I can't wait for a day off already. Okay, and now I'm pulling out the Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer in medium. I still don't know how I feel about it. Like, I want to love it. But there's a lot of things that I'm like, for the price, I feel like you should be wowed. You know what I mean? Like, you should be like, wow, this was amazing. I loved it so much. Like, it should impress me to the core for that price. Okay, and I'm placing a little bit around my hairline. I just feel like I have other products that are cheaper, or should I say more affordable, that perform better than these. Or maybe my skin tone is too like medium-ish and I don't know, maybe it caters to lighter skin tones. Am I tripping or know that I have a skin enhancer? There it is, my skin is enhanced or sculpt. Oh yeah, it says enhancer, skin enhancer, sculpt transformation. You tell me in the comments. Okay, and today for my eye look, oh shoot, I am using something different, something I've had in a while. I'm pulling out my Z palette and my collection of eyeshadows, single eyeshadows. All these are Makeup Geeks. Okay, all the square ones, Makeup Geeks. And these are MAC eyeshadows. This one is by, well, no, not all of them are MAC, sorry. What is that? This one's by Sugar Pill, okay? It's a really nice color. Okay, I pulled this out because I want to use these, one of these colors. These are by Queen Cosmetics, and it's an eyeshadow. She sells eyeshadows and lip glosses that are very, very shimmery. These are like those holographic, iridescent type of eyeshadows. And I was thinking about them yesterday and I was like, damn, I haven't had an iridescent eyeshadow in a while. Like I remember there was a point in time where I was kind of obsessed with them. That's why I ended up buying this Anastasia Cosmos, because I love the, you know, the changing colored, multicolored or iridescent eyeshadows. I was obsessed with them for a while and I'm like, dude, I need to pull them out again. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna use this bronzer color. This is by Makeup Geek. It's called Deep Skin Bronzer and Burnished. Okay, it's by Makeup Geek. And I'm gonna use that as an eyeshadow, as an eyeshadow transition color on my lid. So it's gonna give me that neutral look as a transition color while I put my multi-dimensional iridescent eyeshadow. See how it's like very faint, but you can see it? That's what I was looking for. Here's another color that I really liked for a while. Let me swatch this one just so you guys can see what kind of eyeshadows I'm talking about. You see that? Dude. So pretty. That's what I'm talking about. This is Queen Cosmetics. Notice that for a while I haven't picked out this color. Look at this color. It's greenish and it gives like a purple too. I don't know, where's the purple? Anyways, it gives like a purple effect. Here, I'm gonna swatch this one so you guys can see it. Why did I see purple on the pan right now? It's so weird. Look how shimmery they are. So beautiful. I'm gonna swatch this one just so you guys can see, but they're all from Queen Cosmetics. And what sucks, I wish they had their names on the back. They don't. Once you pull them out of the little packaging, they don't have it. So I'm stuck with a pan, which I don't know the name of. See that? Pretty. Damn, what should I do today? Should I do a purple one? You know what? Just because it's been a while, I'm gonna do this one. I swear, look, it looks purple and green. I don't know. They're like specific angles. It looks green and then it looks, I don't know. It looks purple in the when I put it down, but then when I pick it up, it looks green. Anyways, I like how these perform better with your finger, so I'm gonna use my finger. Make sure it's clean. Okay, my finger. I'm gonna pick some up. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And I'm gonna place it right here in the outer part of my eye, just so I can blend the rest in. Okay, this one, the light hits it better. Look at that. Can you guys see it? I'm picking up my tiny brush and I'm picking up one of those iridescent colors and I'm just stamping it in the middle. I just want to see how it looks. Oh my god, that's so pretty. This is like a pinkish iridescent color. Barely tell, but it looks good in person. Again, the camera is not doing it justice, so I'll swatch this one. That color I used in my inner corner, I'm gonna swatch it right now so you guys can see it. And it's this one. It's like a pink. Here, let me pick up some more. that's the color I'm wearing right now. This one right here on my inner corners. I was kind of spreading it up. I don't know, I'm just playing with the makeup today because I'm telling you, I was thinking about it and I'm like, I haven't pulled out my old stuff. I have so many cute things that I haven't even touched in a while. So now I'm gonna pick up my eyeliner pencil, and this is the 24/7 Urban Decay in Perversion. And I'm gonna outline my eyes with it because I feel like it just goes better with it instead of the brown ones. So I'm doing black today. The look is coming together. So I'm picking up the tiny little brush. This one's by Sonia Kashuk. It's a brand that I found at Target. And I'm just tracing it down, making sure everything's in place. And this is how it looks. Oh, I forgot to set it. Okay, I'm gonna set it after this. I'm going in with Max Carbon. It's Carbon. You see how MAC has little stickers with the names? I feel like that brand, Clean Cosmetics, should have it. I mean, I haven't purchased recently, but you know, when I did at the time, I was like, oh man, they don't have names. And for blush, I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Infallible, and it's Confident Pink. I think this is perfect. It goes really well with whatever I'm wearing right now. So I'm gonna start off with the top, like at the temples. And then I am just stamping it and working my way down. I'm just gonna keep it out here because I have a lot going on my eyes today. And today I decided I'm just gonna do gloss lips. Okay. Since I'm already wearing the lip butter, I'm gonna leave it like that. But I will come back right before I go to work so we can touch up and figure out what lip gloss I'm gonna wear. Maybe this one, maybe another one, I have no idea. But we'll see. But this is the finished look so far. I'll be right back, and I'm gonna bring my hair down and do the whole shebang right before work. I love it, look, oh my gosh. Look at the pink iridescent. So pretty. I wish I could eat it. It's because it's so beautiful. And I think it paired well with the eyeshadow, you know, because I know it looks green, but it looks purple too. And then with the pink iridescent in the center, it's just magical. I love it. Okay, and here I am back. I fluffed up my hair. So I'm oily. Blush is still on. My eyeshadow is on. I feel like I need to touch up the eyeshadow a little bit, I think. I don't know. Okay, so I'm pulling out my powder. This one is the medium mineralized skin finish natural. That's what it says. This one right here. I'm gonna pick it up with my brush. And I'm just gonna stamp it where I see that it's super shiny and wherever I need it. I don't mind the glow here. Maybe not here. Kind of. Okay, let's go in with the gloss. I am going in with this Maybelline Lifter Plump. This is one of my favorites. It's called Peach Fever 005 Peach Fever. I love this one. Yeah, I love this one so much. Yeah, I said peach. Peach Fever, that's the name of the...
Peach?
Yes.
Like kitten?
Yeah. Our cat name is Peach, that's what she's saying. So I'm gonna put this one on because it's neutral. It's like a rosy pink. It's a rosy pink and it's like a peach pink. I don't know, but it complements my skin so much, like my skin tone. So if I want to go for like a more neutral lip gloss that shows, that doesn't wash me out, like it's not too plain, I go for this one. It's not over the top, it's just right. This one by Maybelline. Eyeshadow looks good, but I feel like I'm gonna touch up a little bit, a little tiny bit, only like in the center. Look at that, look at that. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. Like that. And I think it goes really good with my orange or whatever color this is. Peach, orange. I don't even know. Okay, everybody, and this concludes my makeup for today. I hope you guys like it. I really do. I need more light. That's the thing. Like, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next video.